Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 4. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If the screen on your Surface Pro 4 is cracked and the touch functionality isn't working, you're likely experiencing a common issue that can arise from accidental drops or impacts. This problem not only affects usability but can also lead to further internal damage if not addressed promptly. Ignoring it may result in more extensive repairs down the line, so it's best to tackle it as soon as possible. For this repair, you will need a few essential tools: a suction cup, a plastic opening tool, a Torx screwdriver, and a replacement screen suitable for the Surface Pro 4. To begin, ensure the device is powered off completely. Next, use the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the body of the device. Carefully insert the plastic opening tool around the edges to release the adhesive, taking your time to avoid damaging any internal components. Once you have the screen detached, you'll need to locate the damaged component, which is typically the digitizer and LCD assembly. Disconnect the cables attached to the screen by gently lifting the connectors with your plastic opening tool. Remember to note where each cable goes, as you'll need to reconnect them later. Now, unscrew the Torx screws securing the screen in place, applying just enough force to avoid stripping them. Be cautious not to apply too much pressure as you work around the edges. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once all screws are removed and cables disconnected, you can gently lift out the faulty screen. Now it's time to install your new replacement screen. Simply reverse the process, place the new screen into position, reconnect the cables securely and replace the screws. Make sure everything is aligned properly before sealing it up. Once everything is back in place, power on your Surface Pro 4 and check that the touch functionality is working as expected. If you notice any issues, double-check the connections and screws to ensure everything is secure. To prevent a similar problem from occurring in the future, consider using a protective case or screen protector that can absorb shocks. Additionally, always be mindful of where you place your device to avoid accidental drops. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.